Can't fit everyone in this tiny kitchen for the harvest feast.
It's time to build a real farm kitchen.
The construction of the century. A teamwork adventure begins.
And I've already got the kitchen designed. We'll place the kitchen right here by the apple trees. This spot guarantees easy access to fresh water and plenty of beautiful sunlight. See, the water pulley system right here integrates perfectly with the stream, giving us fresh water without needing a pump.
A strong foundation first.
Ooh boy. Can I please design the dessert section? I'm thinking a huge mountain of apple pies.
Breaking news! Pig opens dessert department. Exclusive details to follow on this sweet development. What a wonderful place to cook together. Everything smells so warm and inviting.
Way to go, Rex! The groundwork looks perfect! We'll be building in no time!
Breaking news! Walls rising fast! Cow proves strongest worker, defying expectations with her incredible brick-carrying prowess.
Don't worry, Porky. I've got you.
Wow, that mud is really sticky.
Thanks, Rex.
Oink! I am extra flavor.
Just a little further. Whoa. My bad. Let's go, team.
Yeah, we got it!
All right, team. Measurements clear. MooMoo, bring in the support beam.
Copy that, Lulu.
Looking good. Steady now.
Breaking news! Kitchen faces disaster before grand opening! This is not a drill, people. I repeat, not a drill! We forgot to reinforce the side beams!
It's the forgotten side beam reinforcement. We have to secure it before it collapses.
Hold on tight, Team Bray. We'll fix it before it falls.
Heads up, everyone! We've got movement on the south side. The big ones are shaking. Watch out below!
Good teamwork, everyone. That's how we build strong, brave, and safe.
Moo! Oh, it's beautiful! I'm so proud of our teamwork! Efficient airflow, a sturdy base, and plenty of natural light.
Oink! Let's bake something already!
Breaking news! The farm kitchen is officially open for delicious business. Prepare for a new era of culinary greatness and communal feasts.
This journey ahead won't be easy, son. But as long as we face it together, there's nothing we can't build. A farm isn't just about hard work. It's about sharing what we make together.
Hard work builds strong walls, but teamwork builds happy hearts.